Hello, it's me again, Rich. I was just thinking about something that was actually kind of interesting. You see, uh, um, on Monday, there was a tornado that came pretty close to where I live. Yeah, it was just across the highway of Highway 9 of Norman. Okay, let me just put it this way. I wasn't, I didn't play Freak Out. Okay, it's freaking me out now, but let's see. Um, but because Norman, I hear the sirens. Okay, yeah, I used to be afraid of them a lot. Okay, when I was younger, but for some odd reason, that day I was not even. It's like, okay. It's like, so what? Uh, but then whenever I finally figured out it hit perfect swing this close to me, oh my god. It's like where I work and perfect swing are pretty close, okay? And another one that's like, whoa. Um, I'm just glad it didn't hit my area, my apartments. Everything is okay. It's just freaking me out more now. Okay, let's see. But hey, what can I say? Yeah. Um, it's so it's like totally shocking. It got this close to Norman. It just didn't go through Norman like most tornadoes go through. Yeah, people heard of May 3rd. Yeah, that tornado was going straight towards Norman, then it veered off and hit more. Like, yikes! That was one of the worst ones. They still consider that an F5, even though it could have been an F6 and stuff. Okay. This is one of those things. It's like, whoa! Alright. So, talk to you later. Bye bye.